Yesterday, I generated over $300 online using this simple Pinterest strategy. And in today's video, I'm going to load you up. As I promised in my previous video on Friday, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in every single video. Oh boy, did you think Friday's giveaway was good? Wait until you see what I've got for you in today's video. Because in today's video, I'm going to give you a pin inspector tool, which is a powerful Pinterest software that will uncover trending topics, trending searches, trending top converting content, and best performing ads directly on interest for you to copy and paste and piggyback to reach your own virality and success with Pinterest. But don't stress, you don't have to pay a cent. I purchased the software for $67 and I've now made it available for you guys completely for free in today's video. As I promised, I'm going to try and give you guys as much as possible in every single video that I post on YouTube every single day. And I promised I would do a giveaway in every video. And today's giveaway is really epic. And there will be another one in tomorrow's video. And the fantastic thing about this tool, this is everything that it's going to find for you. It's going to generate you keywords based on the latest trending topics on Pinterest, the latest top Pinterest trends that you can catch onto. A trends generator tool, it will extract related trends currently happening right now on Pinterest. Trends for important keywords, it will analyze pins for you. There's tons of bonus videos and training videos on this tool as well. And this is not all what I'm giving away in today's video. What I'm also going to be giving away is a free $100 Pinterest and lead generation and SEO affiliate income course on Udemy that I've also purchased for today's video. So I've spent a lot of money on today's video, so I really hope you guys get a ton of value. And I'm going to send you the downloadable link. I've got the folders actually saved over here on this Mega NZ folder where I've now created a shareable link for you. Same with the pin inspector. I've uploaded the zip folder to Mega NZ, which is just an alternative to Google Drive. The only reason I'm using Mega NZ is because I get a lot more storage than Google Drive. And over here is a downloadable button to that. I've created a page for you guys where all you need to go and do is enter your name and email. The first email you'll get will be a verification email, just ensuring that your email is legit and that there's no spelling mistakes. This just avoids spam emails and ensures safety on your end for you guys. So once you do that, you will then receive an email from me with the direct downloadable link to Mega NZ. So if you want all of this in today's video, make sure to keep watching, but let's dive into today's strategy that you can also apply with the free giveaways that I'm going to give you towards the end. As I'm sure if you're watching this type of video, you've searched up other tutorials on YouTube, that there are tons. And it's a very trending niche or a category or a strategy right now is Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now, I want you to stop watching all of these other videos on YouTube. I want you to close them. I want you to focus on today's video because this is the video for you if you want to succeed at Pinterest affiliate marketing with the combination of article writing and utilizing the power of Google ranking for your Pinterest profile and your Pinterest pins. It's a really powerful strategy and I'm very excited to share this one with you guys in today's video. But without further ado, let's dive into it. The first thing you need to go and do is optimize your Pinterest profile properly. So you'll see over here, I'm going to continue with the example that I spoke about in my latest Pinterest affiliate marketing video that I also posted on this channel, talking about pet care products. And I showed you how to brand this entire Pinterest page. I called it Barking Buddy. I created my logo on Canva. That full tutorial is a couple videos back on my channel. Really easy. If you have not got a name idea or a logo for your page, you can just simply go over to Canva. There's hundreds of graphic design and logo templates that you can use for your page. And you can also use a business name generator on Google to come up with a unique page name. That's really the easy part. Once you've done that, your page will look like this. More importantly, you want to find some kind of offer that you can promote on your page that is obviously relative to your niche. So since we're talking about pet care again today, I came over to clickbank.com and I found the same pet care product that I've been promoting through this page. You'll see over here, it's all about a natural, it's called Meaningful Tree, which is a natural support supplement for your pet's healthy digestion, skin, and joints. And every time you make a sale through this, you're going to make a commission of $26.04. You can also come over to Google and go and search pet care affiliate programs. You'll probably find hundreds on Google. Over here, 25 of the best pet affiliate programs in 2023. So we can go and open this up. And let's have a look at what this article post says to get some ideas. So over here, you will see, if I scroll down, let me just click OK here. Right here is the bulletproof pet products commission rate up to 10%. I like to see a commission rate of at least 20% plus. Here's a nice one. Innovate's Pet Affiliate Program. We can go and click on this. All of their products over here for dogs, which they've got multivitamins, soft chews, CBD oil for dogs, probiotic chews, a freeze-dried liver, freeze-dried chicken breast food, all sorts of nutrients, multivitamins, and treats for your pets. Now, every time you refer someone to the specific page and you get a sale, you're going to make 20 to 40% commission per sale, which is a really good amount. I would rather much definitely be earning 20% or 40% over 4%. It just makes sense. You can scroll down to the specific affiliate program. You can click on the link on the title. It will take you to this page over here where you can then go and sign up to become an affiliate for the specific platform. You'll see over here, there's another link that will take you to the sign up page, which looks like this. And what you'll need to go and do is reach out to this email over here. It is a manual sign up, so you'll need to just send a simple script that you can go and use is, hi there, I'm interested in joining your Innovate Pet Products Affiliate Program. I have a pet niche Pinterest page and I'm looking to promote your products. Let me know if we can get started with the process. Kind regards. Simple script you can send over to them, and most likely in a couple of days, they will then sign you up and send you your unique affiliate link to their online store called the Innovate Pet Program. There's always a product for you to promote in a certain niche. This can work for sports, it can work for fishing, it can work for online advice, online education, any niche that you can think of. Just go into Google and go and search golf course affiliate program or golf course training affiliate program or how to hit a cricket ball training program, affiliate program, and you will find anything on Google that you can go and promote to make money with in any niche. You can go really specific. You can go and search how to do beach bats affiliate program and you'll probably find something. So that's why Google is your mom when it comes to this kind of thing. You just go and ask Google. It will give you all the information that you need. So now that we have a product, now that we have a Pinterest page, what we're actually going to go and do is we're going to go and utilize the power of Google to rank on Google searches to blow up these types of sales and also blow up our Pinterest page. So we're kind of setting up multiple streams of income, but the one is complementing the other because our Google articles that are going to be ranking cannot exist without our Pinterest pins, and our Pinterest pins need to rely on those articles that are being listed on Google. So that's why they complement each other so nicely. A really easy tool to go and create these articles is called writesonic.com. I've spoken about this before. You guys absolutely love this tool. You can go and click on get started for free. You get a really good amount of credits for free, and then it does become paid, but the free version is more than enough to get started with this. So I'm going to sign in with my account. Once you've signed in, you can go and click on AI Article Writer. They have many different versions that you can go and use. The AI Article Writer 4, 5, and 6 being from free to more expensive. As you'll see over here, 20 credits per article, which is going to cost you about $16 a month. But let's go and start off with the free version just to show you that it is just as good quality and it's more than fine to get started with the strategy. So go and click on Use AI Article Writer 4. For our topic, we can go and type top 10 pet care products. Click on search keywords. Click on next to get ideas for your article. The topic, we can type here top 10, again, pet care products. For our keywords, we want to type pet care, dogs, cats, and pets. For our tone of voice, we can keep this professional. For our point of view, we want to have this at first person. Click on generate ideas on the bottom left. Really clean, epic. The ultimate guide to pet care. Discover the top 10 products for your beloved furry friends. Check this. Click on generate outlines. Will then produce you the index section from the different sections that will be in your article. So for example, the introduction, the importance of pet care, choosing the right products, top 10 must-have products for your dogs, for your cats, essential pet care tips. So let's go and choose this one. And finally, go and click on generate article. And there we go. Just like that, AI is now starting to type me out this article, which is really epic. I don't have to pay someone to do it. I don't have to sit here for hours doing research, typing this up myself. The beautiful thing about WriteSonic is that it researches the entire internet for you, putting together your article. Copy your entire generated article and come over to docs.google.com, which is like a free version of Word where we can go and edit this article, make changes. We can just remove that image source over here where it says top and the text is completely out of place we can neaten up our title, and throughout this article we can simply go and type here. Click here to access the world's #1 online pet care store, delivery worldwide to your doorstep. Make sure this text is italic so that it stands out. Highlight the text, click on insert link on the top middle menu bar of docs.google and paste your affiliate link to this online store. Once you've received that, click on apply and you'll see over here this now becomes a clickable link, and we can go through the article and really just paste this throughout. We can paste it again just before the body of this article starts, and we can come over towards the conclusion of this article or the ending, and we can paste this again over here. Just remove that bullet point and perfect. We now have a done for your article ready to go and rank on Google. A second way to get a decent amount of traffic to your article and to your affiliate link is through the power of Pinterest. And this again comes back to what I said in the introduction of this video, that the power of Pinterest pins and this Google article ranking on Google comes hand in hand so nicely. So we can come over to canva.com, search Pinterest on the homepage of Canva. We can click on Pinterest pin. We can go and choose from hundreds of different templates that we can go and use. So let's, for the example of this video, we can actually go and choose this pet example over here. Click on customize this template, or there's tons of more like this that you can go and choose. I actually really like this top pet care tips over here. Really nice Pinterest post, very relative to our article. Again, we can click on customize template and it will open up this pin in a new tab. We add our link to our article website on Google. You can go and click on download this Pinterest post and go and start posting that on Pinterest.com. And when you post your pin, you want to link this pin to your article on Google so that people from Pinterest are now clicking on your article. And the fantastic thing is people will be able to tell that this is not an affiliate program. You're actually giving them free value by providing them a free article, potentially as a future incentive for them to purchase through your affiliate link on the online store affiliate program. So now that we have Pinterest, we have our product, we have our Google article, we're ready to go and make money online with this. Now, if you guys want to go and get access to this entire Udemy course and also this Pin Boost software tool, and take a look at what you're going to be getting from me today is a Pinterest Anatomy, Mastering the Pinterest Marketing course overview, the Pinterest Marketing and Management Mastery course outline, a brief overview of Pinterest, setting up Pinterest, a business account and how to use it, various tools to successfully use Pinterest business account. So the ultimate basics of Pinterest. Then we get into the juicy stuff, Pinterest marketing domination, an introduction to Pinterest traffic, understanding the Pinterest platform, how to make quality images, congruency, visual real estate, a creative pin, the anatomy of a creative pin, reverse engineering hack for Pinterest, pin automation, lead generation pros, mastering strategies for high quality leads, lead magnets unleashed, crafting irresistible offers, mastering landing page design from concept to conversion, traffic mastery and lead campaign optimization, search engine optimization, so researching keywords, on-site and off-site optimization, SEO tools, services and outsourcing, affiliate marketing, choosing a product to promote, marketing channels, advanced affiliate marketing tricks, and there is so much to offer. I mean, this entire course module is absolutely full of value, giving you all affiliate programs, platforms, tools that you need to know. So if you want to go and get this all completely for free, come over to my Instagram page. I will leave a link over here or show you on the screen. Send me a DM, Pinterest, and then I will automatically send over the link to this page. So yeah, I think let's do that. Send me a DM on Instagram and I will send this over. Without further ado, guys, take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.